In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallel pivot lines in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or custom indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly on that search box so it's active, and then start typing the name of the tool you're looking for. In this case, you want to look for parallel pivot lines, so begin typing parallel pivot lines slowly and clearly. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of matching indicators below the search bar. Give it a second to load the results, and you should see an indicator related to parallel pivot lines show up in the list. Make sure you select the correct one that matches what you're trying to use. Once you see it, simply click on the name of the indicator. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart, and you should see those parallel pivot levels appear on your price action. If they don't show up right away, zoom out or adjust your time frame so you can clearly see the lines on the chart. From here, you can customize the look and feel of the pivot lines by hovering over the indicator name in the chart's legend and opening its settings. In the settings window, you'll be able to adjust things like colors, line style, and visibility for different time frames. Take a moment to tweak these options so the pivot lines stand out clearly against your background and other drawings. This helps keep your chart clean and easy to read while you're analyzing price action. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features and indicators like this, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, while getting access to the full power of TradingView Pro for your own trading and charting. And that's all there is to it. You've now added parallel pivot lines to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start using them in your analysis.